In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an insight into my social media marketing agency at age 17. If you're looking for a side hustle or a second income, consider this. Thank you for joining me for yet another video. Now, if you're only just discovering one of my videos, my name is Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also put a disclaimer in all of my videos to say that I'm not selling you guys a course in this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. All I ask in return for me sharing all of this free advice is that you go down below, smash the like button and comment some video ideas for me. Commenting video ideas is really helpful as it helps me see what you guys want to see from me in the future. So yeah, enough rambling, let's get straight into the video now. So first of all, what is a social media marketing agency? This is where I run natural growth and paid ads on people's Instagram pages such as businesses and individuals. I decided to set up one because I saw it was a great idea. I watched another load of YouTubers and they said it was really profitable, and I even watched some guy, I put him up now, who said he did it at age 17 I believe, and he made a lot of money doing it. So I saw this as an opportunity and I might as well give it an exploration and give it a go. So actually me and my girlfriend set up this account called Mr. Media Management. I'll put it to the right. She created the content for the TikTok and I managed all the Instagram side of stuff. It took us a while to get it all set up, but once we did, it looked great. I believe she actually had the first idea to get it all set up, so props to her. So the name Mr. Media Management actually came from us as a joint thing. The M is the first letter of her first name and the R is the letter of my first name, Ryan. And with Media Management after it to show what we're doing and what service we're offering. So when I was setting up the profile on Instagram, I made sure to connect a Facebook page to it so I could schedule my posts on Facebook Creator Studio. I've actually recently uploaded a video showing you how to schedule your posts and the different options you can have when scheduling your posts, so make sure to check out that one. So once I was all good at set up for scheduling, I focused on actually setting up my account for optimization purposes. This included your bio, your profile picture, your highlights and all your stories and everything. So for my bio, it looks like this now. We've changed it a few times, but I'm happy with how it looks for now. But definitely I will change it in the future if the time comes where I feel like it's necessary to change it to adapt to what the current SEO optimizations is saying on the Instagram algorithm. Our profile picture represents the brand very well as a whole. The blue color attracts the eye of the audience, so that's why we picked that sky blue and the white to contrast it. So our main brand colors are black, white and that sky blue. For our brand colors, we make sure to include them on all of our Instagram posts and our TikTok posts as well. So next off, we created a hashtag strategy. For our hashtag strategy, we included 30 hashtags in each of our sets. Each hashtag, we didn't want to put it too small or too big, so we set the benchmark of between 10,000 and 80,000 posts per single hashtag we use. And I have between 3 and 6 hashtag sets that I rotate between constantly. So next off, I thought about my target audience. To begin with, my target audience was aspiring influencers. We did well with this to begin with, but I'm starting to rebrand it into something else so we could target major business owners as well. So next off, I sort of thought about my posting frequency on both social media, so that's Instagram and TikTok. On Instagram, we were posting once per day, and I got my girlfriend to handle the content for that, so she had that side of things. And I handled all of the Instagram side of things. We were posting one carousel per day on that too. I recommend you start this with a partner like I did, so otherwise this can get quite a heavy workload you can contain. I recommend you guys take advantage of reels and carousels if you're going to set up your own one. These are what's sort of blowing our account up, and we repurpose all our content from TikTok all over to our Instagram reels as well. Repurposing content on all your different social media platforms is a big way of growing your personal brand and your brand as a whole. I think TikTok was a great way for us to grow our platform because we were getting tons and tons of views, and that means they were all coming from our TikTok to our Instagram and they were messaging us to purchase our courses. Linking onto our courses, we created our first course. This course was titled our influencer course. It's for all our aspiring influencers and we got a lot of sales from it in the first few days. Things started to die down, but I do occasionally get sales from it now and then. Alongside the course sales, I was also making money for doing one-to-one mentoring for business owners. This is people from small to medium-sized businesses who were just trying to grow their Instagram naturally. I didn't know anything about Facebook ads at the time, but that changed in the future. Now wait, I want to pause you there. Have you guys smashed the like button yet? If you haven't already, please go down below, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This really does help my channel out and promote my videos to a wider audience. So yeah, cheers guys. Now back onto the topic of the influencer courses. On the release date of our influencer course, we had a lot of people waiting for it and we got about 10 sales on our first day. This was great and we repeated it for the next few days as well. But then after a while, our sales sort of declined a bit, which is why I changed to a different sort of audience. I used the money to repurpose into our content, so I brought microphones, lighting and all that sort of stuff. I didn't spend it on silly stuff, I just repurposed it back into the brand. Then I just took a break. I took a break from it all because I was working very hard at it constantly and I just feel like I needed a bit of a break for about a week or two. After this break, I realized that I need to change target audience for our brand. This is because there was more potential in targeting customers which are owners of the businesses rather than just individuals who are aspiring to be influencers. So I'm now sort of trying to scale my following and all that sort of stuff for my big accounts, my big theme pages. So occasionally I'm reposting content from both my theme pages and my other pages as well onto my new media page. So therefore I'm using my followers on my other pages to promote it to my Mr. Media Management page, which gets it more followers and more reach. So next of all, I wanted to talk about my my plans for the future for this page and this brand as a whole. I would love to create a team around it. I want to be able to have 3 or 4 employees that I could employ, and we could sort of scale it up to where I want it to be in the future. So at this stage, scaling up is the main aim, as that earns you more money. It's not all about the money for me. I generally do enjoy doing this. To earn my money, I realised I need to learn new skills. Currently, I've been learning Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads. So all that paid advertising is where the money is at the moment, I believe. I know natural growth like at the back of my hand, so I can support them for that as well, but Facebook ads and all that sort of thing is where the money is going to be for businesses. So therefore, I've learned that, so I can offer that as a new service to my clients, and therefore I can charge them more money every month, and I can even take a percentage of their business revenue if I wanted to eventually. By next year, I want to be on $10,000 or pounds per month on this account. I believe I can do this if I run Facebook ads to promote my services and Google ads as well. It's all about scaling up and building a team around me of big people and people who know what they're doing around this space. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video now. Hope you enjoyed learning about my experiences with my social media management agency at age 17. I did however notice that only about 10% of my audience are actually subscribed. If you guys wouldn't mind going down below, smash the subscribe button, that would mean the world to me. You can always unsubscribe if my content is not good enough for you in the future. And also, whilst you're down there, smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. This helps my videos be seen by a wider audience and promotes my channel to more people. So guys, also if you want to, stay to the end of this video to see my most recent video. So yeah guys, I'll see you there. Cheers.